This one. It might turn over.
Mm-hmm. Don't hurt the kitty's feet, Riley Bell.
We have paws on her.
So it won't get hurt. I think that's for when it jumps, though. I don't know. Be careful of the kitty. Don't hurt it. What's the kitty's name?
Tisha.
What?
Tisha.
No, it's Felicia. It's a girl, silly.
It's not a boy?
No.
It's Felicia.
You're gonna hurt Felicia. You need to be careful.